Deciphering fixed rope in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve deep into understanding the term fixed rope. It's a phrase that might be unfamiliar to some, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. So let's get started. Fixed rope is a compound noun, meaning it's made up of two words that, when combined, take on a specific meaning. Fixed. This is an adjective, and in this context, it means something that is securely placed and not meant to be moved. Rope. This is a noun referring to a long, thick cord made from intertwining strands of material like hemp, nylon, or cotton. When combined, the term fixed rope refers to a rope that has been securely anchored or attached to a specific point, often to assist with climbing or navigation. The term fixed rope is commonly used in mountaineering and climbing. In these scenarios, ropes are anchored to the mountainside to assist climbers as they ascend or descend. This offers an added layer of safety, especially in challenging terrains. For instance, climbers on mountains like Everest often rely on fixed ropes in certain sections to ensure they don't slip or fall, especially when passing others or navigating particularly treacherous areas. To make sure you understand and can use this term properly, let's look at a few examples. 1. The climbers use the fixed rope to safely navigate the icy ridge. 2. Before attempting the steep section, make sure the fixed rope is securely anchored. 3. Relying on a fixed rope can make certain climbing routes accessible even to less experienced climbers. So there you have it. Fixed rope isn't just a random combination of words but a very specific term used in the world of climbing and mountaineering. Now, not only do you understand its meaning, but you can also use it in context. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, keep climbing those language barriers. See you next time.